My name is Radyo, and you can also call me Radyo. What is binary options? If you look at this screen clearly now, you will see if you are used to trading view or MetaTrader 4, some of these things will not be new to you, which I will still explain. If you look at this, you will see this is a green button and this is a red button. Looking at the candles alone, as a forex trader, you know green is for buy, red is for sell. And the amazing thing about binary options is, okay, let me just go in, let me show you an example right now. So you can see where the candle is, then let me just put, that is sell. So this is just a test. I'm not actually totally 100% certain we are going to end in profit. You can see I just did that on impulse, but all my conditions are right, so I just have to do that. Right now, this is what Disney OTC, and in binary options, what is OTC? Over the counter. This means this is not actually real-time data from the foreign exchange market. It is just data, synthetic data from the broker. So that is that. We'll come back to this trade and we'll see how it's doing. Right now, you can see the trade here opened, and right now we are not in profit. We are above the price. So let me explain how this works to you. You can see when I click this red button, it actually started the trade for me. You can see the arrow is saying I am putting. There are two options, call or put. Call is the green button, which is buy, and this red button is put, which is sell. So that is how it basically works. So you can see this red line right here. You can see this red line right here. This is where we actually put, that is where we sold. And what do we want this to do? By the time this trade expires, the trade has been set to 3 minutes. Right here you can see M3. By the time this trade expires in the next 3 minutes, if fortunately price is below this line, we will be winning that trade. And if price is above this price, just the way it is right now, we will be losing this trade. So let's just keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. So while we wait for that trade, let me just go over this whole platform. Even if you've not traded forex before in life, you don't really need to know much to trade binary options. All you need is just basic understanding of how the foreign exchange market moves, what is sell, what is buy, what the candles means, if you want to learn. So, but if you don't need all that drama, all you need to know is that when we say put, when we say call, that means when we say buy, when we say sell, sell. So it's as simple as that. And at the end of 3 minutes, you will know your fate instantly. So right now we have 49 seconds more. Hopefully we end in profit, but if we don't, it's all good. This was just to show you how this actually works. So we went into the trade after this red candle, and you can see we have 1 minute candle, 2 minutes, and this is the 3rd minute. We are halfway gone now. Let's just wait 30 seconds more and see the outcome. But from the look of things, it seems this price is bullish at the moment. Done. You can see your trade has been closed. Profit $0. It's as simple as that. Very simple. In 3 minutes, the trade is over. I can then go look for another setup and go into it. If you learn proper risk management and you don't over leverage, you can actually grow your account successfully. And all this you see here, yes, this was my trade in the morning. So imagine having yes, this was yesterday, this to yesterday. But in the morning, I started trading. You can see this. Made $62, then $30, $36, $32, $33, $54, $54, $50. All under an hour. And I left home. I went out to location to shoot. And I'm back home now, trying to trade again. If I want to trade, I'll trade. If I don't want to trade, I'll go to bed. It's very simple. I've actually surpassed my daily targets in the morning. In under an hour, I took my bed, I brushed my teeth, put on my clothes, came to my office here. I started trading. In less than an hour, I was done, took my bag and my camera, and I went out. The first thing is, how does binary option works? And I have actually explained that to you. When you look at the graph, you decide. When you look at the chart, you decide what price is going to actually do. Is price going to fall or price is going to rise. At this point now, I can decide to sell or buy. So whichever it is we decide to do is all up to us, and the outcome is one of two things. Instantly, is either we make the money, make some profit. Right now we are expecting 92% profit. You can see this 92%, 92%. So we are expecting 92% profit on our $20. If we lose the trade, fine, $20 is gone. It's fine. Instantly, I know $20 is gone. I'm not waiting for hours and hours and days, and at the end of the day, it's either put me in loss and even wipe out my account. No, this doesn't do that. Instantly, you know your fate. You either make the money or lose the money instantly. So that is that. So that is it, guys. I've explained how it works. It's either just buy or sell in time. A few minutes. So let me show you the time. Right here, you can see purchase time. When you register newly, this might not be the way the interface will look, but you can actually set it. And I am recording a video, and we are currently working on the edits on how to use this whole interface, how to register the right way and not make mistakes, the information to put in, the options to select. Everything is in the video, and the registration link for you to get bonus and all that. Right now, right here, you can select time. 1 minute. That is the beauty of binary options. In just a minute, you can know the outcome of your trade. Assuming I set this trade to 1 minute, it's done already. I'm in profit. It will have taken me out in profit in just a minute, $38 to the bank. It's as simple as that. The time left on this particular trade is actually counting over here. We have 42 seconds more, and right here too, you can see it. We have 40 seconds more. If this trade ends in profit, you can see we went in with $20 for a put, and we go in with a whooping $38.40. So that is if this trade ends in profit. I'm hopeful, but as a forex trader, I don't like to put my mind in stuff like this. I'll just let it do its thing, whatever the outcome is. I don't really care. All I know is I'll stay profitable at the end of the day. So that is that. And at this top, you can see different pairs. When this trade is over, I'll clear it and I'll add new set of pairs. So for you to know how that works. And boom, it's done. You can see right here. Congratulations, you earned $38. Let me now clear this favorite tab and show you how it works. I've showed you how to sell, how to buy, how to set your time frame, where to monitor your remaining time. This is your open trade. You can see right now I don't have any trade. Then close trade, you can see I have actually closed some trades. In the last 1 hour, I lost a few trades, but if you do your mathematics properly and look at all these values, I am still profitable. I am still extremely profitable. Okay, let me start from the top. As you can see, get 50% bonus. As I said, you use the link and you'll be able to get 50% bonus on your first deposit. You can see live. If it's a demo account, you will see demo right here. Then you can see with balance, it says this is a beginner account. If you want to top up, you click here, top up language, you click on the flag. But that is that, guys. Then the next thing is this place where you can easily click or press Shift F on your laptop. When I clicked on this place, list of favorites, it's just like on your forex MT4 app where you put some pairs on your quote page. This is like our quote section where we put all our pairs that we want to trade right now. When you see OTC, it means over the counter. It means it is synthetic, provided by the broker. All the data are not real time from the foreign exchange market. So you can stay away from it absolutely, totally. Or if you have a way around it, you can trade it. I trade it, but I might not be trading with you guys because it's very risky. So that is that. So we click on Euro USD. This Euro USD now, if you see Euro USD OTC right here, it means over the counter. The data is not real time. Stay away from it. So then let's select the one with the highest returns. What is the meaning of this percentage in front of these pairs? If we go in with this Euro USD now, it means if you put in $10, you'll be making $8.10. 81% of our money back instantly. This one means 80% of our money. $10 you make $8. $10 you make $7.80. This you make $7.5 and this $7.3. So that is that, guys. So I have selected these pairs now, and you can see what happened. It is listed. So you can see right now it's listed right here. Euro USD, USD CHF, CHF JPY, Euro JPY, AUD CHF, just like our regular forex pairs. Then the difference in this is even good. We have stocks. We have stocks. Let me click on Shift F and let it take us to stocks. We have crypto, we have commodities, and so on. You see Apple OTC. But most of these stocks are traded over the counter. So I trade them personally, but I do not recommend you trading them. So the next thing now is Euro USD. Euro USD. So let's look at this Euro USD and let me just explain some things to you briefly with that. In native forex trading, all we are after is we go in here, then we are hopeful one day it will eat our take profit somewhere here or here or here based on Fibonacci retracements, levels, or any other thing. But then we might not even hit that target and we wait. We don't even know how long we need to wait for. Now the next thing is how to set up your account. How to set up your account. So, and as I said, there will be a video for that. I will actually give you a full video on how to set up your account and how to start. So the next thing is how to trade options. As I said earlier on, the first thing is to go over here, click on this place, select the pairs you want, the pairs with the highest ratio, because you don't want to go into a trade. Okay, let me just do this. You don't want to select a pair with a 40-something% return or a 50-something% return. Then it doesn't make any sense. When I say call or buy, you click the green arrow. When I say put or sell, then you click the red arrow. But for starters, we'll be using buy and sell so we don't get each other confused. But professionally and binary terms, you don't use buy or sell, you use call or put. So it's as simple as that. So talking about the interface, you can see this is trading where we trade. You can see finance. This is where you can deposit or withdraw. Profile. This is where you see all about yourself. Charts. There's a general chat room where you can chat with other traders online and you can share idea and or whatnot. But where I actually have business is trading and finance. As I proceed in my trading, I have a daily target. So what I do is, okay, let's say for example, my daily target is $30. So when I trade for an hour and I see that I've made over $10 profits on whatever balance I have, I'll take out that $10 into my Bitcoin wallet. I can leave or keep trading if the market is good, because there are times when the market is not good. When you test your first two trades with $1 and it fails, your third trade with $1 and it fails, it's telling you right now the market is probably, there's news. As time goes on, I'll show you guys how to use the news and how to use the economic calendar to decide what to trade and what not to trade, and when to trade and when not to trade. So let's say everything is going good for me, I can keep trading, but over trading kills, does not that. So I can keep trading. If I make another $10, I'll take that $10 again out of my account into my Bitcoin wallet. I have a separate Bitcoin wallet for my profits, for my daily target. So as we all know from forex, the power of compounding is just amazing. So imagine taking out $30 every day for 5 days. That's $150. For example, it's just an example. Just know what you need, know how to achieve it. Your target for your weekly target is $150. Then how do you achieve $150? 5 trading days, $30 a day. So give or take, you still make $100. So let's say daily you are able to take out $20 to $30. Even if it's $20 a day, that's $100 at the end of the week. If we actually have a plan, a game plan, we can achieve anything. I'm not saying it's going to be smooth and easy, but with time and if we keep believing and we stick to our work ethics, we achieve whatever we want to achieve. So that is that, guys, about how I do mine. I take out my profits to make sure I have my daily target out of my wallet. So I have a separate account for compounding, which I don't even withdraw from, and I don't think I am ready to withdraw from anytime soon. And that doesn't still mean I'm over leveraging. On mobile, the interface is slightly different. So I'm going to show you guys in another video how to use the mobile. And in that video, I'll show you all how to set up your account via the broker homepage and how to fund it if you are ready to fund it. And if you're not ready to fund it yet, you can keep using your demo account.